Hey Steve, it's let's see here. It's a Kenwood, and it's let me see, a TM-V7. TM-V7. Over.
Okay, I'll have to go look that up. Never heard one, but it's doing a fine job into the repeater for sure.
All right. Well, the radio seems to work just fine. The display is wonky, but it's one of these I guess LCD readouts, and it's got a little scatter to it, but it's legible. Steve, thanks a lot for coming back and helping me check it out.
No problem, man. Glad to do it. Real quick, does it take the key on time?
Yes, sir, it does.
I'd say you got something there then, Alan, for sure. All right, well, M5 OMK, I'll be standing by, man. Holler at me if you need me. M5ND, M5 OMK.
Thanks, my friend. Thanks, my friend. AG5ND73, and I'm clear. So that's the radio. It's pretty clean, but the display is wonky. When you first bring it up, it's 146.805. That's what we're on. No tone required on this repeater.